Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just another update here on MicroVision. Looks like it went up. I'm sure people took some profits and kind of going down, so we'll see what it does here throughout the rest of the day. I'm still in the green here, so I got 3 shares in here so far, so I haven't quite decided what I'm going to do with them. I have more shares in a retirement, so don't be making too much fun of my 3 shares. I just got into these, I think, yesterday. But again, this is MicroVision, ticker MVIS, currently at $23.09. And it's a tug-of-war right now with the Bears and the Bulls, so we'll see what's going on with this one. But you could have got into this one $10 back here just last week, so, and could have almost tripled your money here. But again, here's what it's doing today, so we'll see what it ends up with today. If you don't know what MicroVision is, it's a Lidar company, the Pico P brand. Feel free to pause and go over that information there for yourself. Today's low of 21.27 opened at 22.23 and a high of 25.75. So I had a nice run there. You could have got into this one. We'll just call it 24 cents. And it does have earnings coming up tomorrow after hours, so definitely one to watch. Put this one on your radar. So here's just another look at it. This is currently showing a hold, so probably not going to be the best ratings on this one, where it's the tug-of-war going on with it right now. But again, earnings tomorrow. MicroVision soars 47%, leading the meme stocks higher, and this is a couple days ago. Shares of laser developed MicroVision jumped 47% on Monday. Another Reddit's favorites rallied, suggesting that interest in the so-called meme stock remains stronger after a wild ride this year. And feel free to pause and go over the rest of the information there for yourself. I'm sure if you're watching this, you know all about MicroVision and the meme stocks and Reddit. Why MicroVision stock skyrocketed again today. This is just yesterday, kind of some of the same information. Technology company has cemented its position as a meme stock and is spiking for the second straight session based on social media momentum. And feel free to pause and go over the rest there for yourself. I'm sure if you're watching this, you might even be in GameStop, as well as I don't know if they're trading BlackBerry. I've heard a lot of talk about AMC. I was in Nokia. I still have some Nokia. I traded some BlackBerry as well as some AMC, and then got out of them. So GameStop shares rallied on Monday after a report by Bloomberg highlighted the turnaround plans crafted by Chewy co-founder Ryan Cohen, who is also an investor in the video game retailer. So that's interesting. Price action, MicroVision shares closed at 47.13% higher at $26.44 on Monday in the regular session, and rose nearly 9.2% in the after-hours session to $28.87. So I haven't quite decided what I'm going to do with this one yet. I might set a trailing stop on it, so if it dips too much, I'll probably dump it, but I'll wait and see. So it's kind of volatile. I hate to do that yet, just in case it dips and goes back up, and then I lose out on the gains because I don't watch it that close. So this is just dated here today. MicroVision stock has popped nearly 100% in the past 5 trading days, mainly due to the Reddit. The company, which focused on developing LiDAR sensor for automotive safety and autonomous driving applications, has had an astounding year. Stock is up more than 7,000% in the last 365 days, and the momentum shows no signs of stopping. So it's just amazing. Some people have, if they've held it that long have made quite a return on this one. In the fourth quarter, sales fell 91.4% sequentially. For the year, the top line fell by 63.7%. Overall, in the past 15 years, the company has cleared $20 million in annual revenues. For the second quarter 2020, there was actually a possibility that management was looking to could sell off the business. MicroVision did not make any product revenues in the fourth quarter of 2020 and reported zero inventory on its balance sheet 2020 fiscal year. So there has been talk of going around of a buyout, so we'll see if that happens or not. But it's currently a classic meme stock. It does not have a great operating model, virtually no sales, and a large percentage of its float is shorted. So if you're getting into this one or thinking about it, I would be very cautious with this one. So as it's being traded with the Wall Street Bets favorites on GameStop, AMC, and some of the other ones. So MicroVision is no different. Most recently, the Lidar technology company launched a $50 million at-market equity offering. Before that, December, MicroVision launched an offering of $13 million of stock. So be interesting to watch this one. We'll see what happens with it. I just did a video also on Luminar as well as Velodyne. And this might be another one that I take a look at here. Company does not have a relationship with any major legacy manufacturer. Basically, if the market's like MicroVision new Lidar vision product sample, it still needs to find a manufacturing partner to scale production. So if you're watching MicroVision, you might watch Luminar, here's the ticker, as well as Velodyne, and might watch this Veoneer as well. I might look into that one and do a video on that one as well, ticker VNE. As sometimes when MicroVision goes up, the Luminar tends to follow, as well as Firstrade Autonomous kind of goes up as well. I've done several videos on that one and hold shares in that one as well. MicroVision announces completion of its long-range LiDAR sensor, a sample hardware and development platform. This is just stated here today, so this could be a catalyst that runs up the stock as well. A leader in the MEMS-based laser beam sensing technology today announced that it has completed development of its A-sample hardware and development platform for demonstration of key performance features of its long-range LiDAR sensor to potential customers, partners, or parties interested in strategic alternatives. Sample in the April timeframe. I am proud of our talented team, their dedication, and their ability to execute, said the CEO of MicroVision. I believe our differentiated high-performance LiDAR sensor has the potential to advance autonomous driving and active safety systems beyond current sensors announced in the automotive market. I expect that the version of this LiDAR sensor could be available for sale. So I'd be watching for that, and feel free to pause and go over the rest there for yourself. This goes over a little bit more about MicroVision. So like I said, if you're looking to get into this one, just be careful, be cautious, set your alerts, set your stops if you need to, and I would just watch it if you're getting into it. This kind of goes over how it stages an epic reversal, and so we'll see what happens with it here. On April 21, the bulls took control of MicroVision at $10.33 a share. 3 trading days later, this Monday, shares closed at $26.44, but the bears crushed it. On Tuesday, MicroVision opened at $27.63 and closed at $20.16, a drop of about 24%, and that's kind of where I got in. Might not have been the smartest move, but I'm still in the green, so As long as I'm in the green, that's what all matters. So here's kind of a chart. What kind of happened? So the bulls in charge and the bears take over. So very interesting tug of war going on with this one now. So we'll see what happens with it. And if you have MicroVision or any other Lidar companies, go ahead and leave that in the comments. And back to Reddit. I became a MicroVision millionaire today. Doesn't say how many shares or anything. When I wake up and see my investments, all in before it was cool. Go over here to StockTwits. So again, 52-week low of 24, high of 28. $3 billion market cap, 145 million shares trading. To all the bulls, don't sweat it. Shorts are just being piles. But without, you appreciate the finer things in life, and just like bacteria, they are needed. Wow, that's pretty deep. Seriously, get out before J. Powell and Biden. They are speaking today, so who knows what's going to go on. Not once has the market gone up after they speak. Secure profits now. So that's another good point. They are, I think, J. Powell's speaking this afternoon and Biden later on tonight. So we'll see what gibberish, pointers they throw out there. So. And Benny, we need another Kindle. Come to $100 enough. Incoming dump. Oh, wow. Let's go Bulls, hold the line. So this one definitely is going to be interesting to watch today, and just keep in mind that Powell and Biden are speaking today, and that could give it a turnaround. Who knows what's going to happen with it after today. And they do have earnings, so that's really odd timing that they're speaking later today, and the earnings are coming out tomorrow after hours. So maybe it will dump and run back up tomorrow. Who knows? So, and maybe that's why it's running down from this point in regards to them speaking. So. Not really for sure on that one, but I might, I don't know, put in a $22 stop, so if it hits that, it might sell out, but haven't quite decided on this one yet, so definitely not going to take a loss, but I'm still in the green, so $1 a share, but not too big of a loss. But like I said, if you have this one, go ahead and leave it in the comments along with your cost basis and any other Lidar companies that you have. That would be interesting to know. And I thank you for watching, and smash the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is J Money, following Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.